Three Bangladeshi nationals suspected of cattle theft were lynched by an agitated mob near the Bidhyabil border area of Khowai subdivision, police confirmed. The deceased bodies were recovered from a rubber plantation by police from Champahawor Police Station. The incident highlights growing tensions in border areas over frequent theft. Local residents allege that Bangladeshi thieves routinely cut the barbed wire fence at night to cross the border, commit vulgaries, including cattle theft, and escape back into Bangladesh before dawn, often evading police capture. The last incident occurred on Tuesday night when the three men allegedly entered the Bidhyabil India-Bangladesh border area to commit a robbery. According to local accounts, they successfully stole cattle but were attempting to flee back towards the border fence in the early hours of the morning, where they were spotted by local rubber plantation workers entering the garden. The agitated villagers eventually apprehended the three men in the jungle. They were then subjected to a severe beating by the mob, resulting in the instant death of all three at the spot. Upon receiving the information, a team from Champahawor Police Station rushed the scene. Upon receiving the information, a team from Champahawor Police Station rushed the scene. The police recovered the three bloodied bodies and sent them to the hospital for post-mortem examination. The incident has caused significant sensation and tension in the area. Locals maintain that the mob's reaction was a response to the constant menace of cross-border theft, which they claim has left police helpless. Reported by Bidhyabil from Khowai, Chini, Khorang.